Your baby's first years arrive in a blur. A birth weight on a wristband, a vaccine card from the hospital, a feeding rhythm you're learning by the hour, and somewhere in it all, a first smile you never want to forget. The new baby and new parent records binder keeps every bit of it in one place, the records and the memories in a file you own. It's a 10-tab workbook plus 4 guides. There's a baby summary a sitter can act on, a growth log, a feeding and sleep log, a milestones page, appointments and immunizations, the care team, insurance, and a place for where the important documents live. It works in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice. Start with the baby summary. It's the one page a grandparent, a sitter, or an urgent care nurse needs first. Name, date of birth, allergies, the pediatrician, how baby feeds and sleeps, and the people to call. Fill it in, keep it at the front, and anyone can step in. In the newborn weeks, the feeding and sleep log gives the day a shape. Log each feed, the diapers, and the sleep, with simple drop-downs you can sort. So a tired partner doesn't have to hold it all in their head, and anyone helping can see the rhythm at a glance. And here's the keepsake heart of the binder. Milestones. First smile, rolled over, first words, first steps. The common firsts are listed for you. Just add the date and a line of memory as each one happens, and you're keeping a record you'll treasure later. Prefer Google Sheets? It's one click. Open the link in your download, choose Make a Copy, and the whole binder lands in your drive, every drop-down ready to go. No importing, nothing to rebuild. It's built around one simple rule: record the care and the memories. Never your baby's full social security number or sensitive details, so the binder is safe to share. And unlike a subscription baby app, this file is yours. Years of growth and memories that won't vanish if a service shuts down. You'll find the new baby and new parent records binder at ardentworkshop.com or on Etsy. Baby's first years gathered in one place, and it's yours to keep from Ardent Workshop.